Slovakia signs $1.17 billion Tatra military truck deal. This is a significant and recent development in European defense procurement. Here's a detailed breakdown of what the deal entails, its context, and its implications. The core deal facts and figures. Parties: the Slovak Ministry of Defense and the Czech defense conglomerate Czechoslovak Group, CSG, specifically its subsidiary, Tatra Defence Vehicle, TDV. Value: $1.17 billion, approximately 1.07 billion euros. This makes it the largest single military contract in the modern history of Slovakia. Quantity and timeline: the delivery of over 400 new Tatra trucks and special vehicles over 8 years starting in 2026. Purpose: to completely replace and modernize the Slovak Armed Forces' aging logistics and support vehicles, many of which are from the Soviet era. Key details of the vehicles. The contract is not just for standard troop transporters. It includes a family of vehicles built on Tatra's renowned heavy-duty off-road chassis. Logistics trucks, standard cargo and transport variants. Specialized versions. These are crucial and include mobile workshop vehicles for field repairs, fuel and water tankers for logistical supply, cranes and material handling vehicles, vehicles configured for mounting weapons, communications, or command systems. Technology. The vehicles will feature modern armor, communication systems, and compatibility with NATO standards, C4ISR, command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Why this deal is so significant? Long overdue modernization. Slovakia's military vehicle fleet was outdated, a mix of Soviet legacy and various Western models, creating logistical nightmares for maintenance and parts. This deal standardizes the core logistics fleet with a modern, capable platform. Strategic Buy European/Buy Czech-Slovak. This deal cements the deep industrial and defense ties between Slovakia and the Czech Republic. Tatra is a historic brand with strong roots in both nations. It keeps critical defense spending within the EU and the broader Central European region, strengthening the European defense industrial base. It was chosen over competitors like Iveco, Italy, or Rheinmetall, Germany. NATO interoperability and deterrence. Post-Russia's invasion of Ukraine, Slovakia, a NATO and EU member, has been urgently bolstering its defenses. Modern, reliable logistics are the backbone of any credible military. This upgrade directly enhances Slovakia's contribution to NATO's collective defense and its own territorial security. Industrial and economic benefits for Slovakia. The contract includes a significant offset agreement, industrial participation. CSG has pledged to invest over 100 million euros in Slovak defense industry. This will involve technology transfers, joint production of subsystems, and creating high-tech jobs in Slovakia, boosting its domestic defense sector. Broader context: Slovakia's defense shift. This deal is part of a larger, sometimes controversial transformation of Slovak defense policy. Pro-Ukraine support. Slovakia provided its entire fleet of MiG-29 fighter jets to Ukraine and significant artillery ammunition. Replacement and modernization. The Tatra deal is part of the Give Old, Get New strategy, replacing donated Soviet-era gear with modern Western NATO standard equipment. Domestic politics. The deal was championed by the previous pro-Western government. The current government, under Prime Minister Robert Fico, has adopted a more Russia-skeptic rhetoric and halted further state military aid to Ukraine. But it has not canceled this major contract, which indicates the procurement is seen as a nonpartisan national security necessity. Conclusion. The $1.17 billion Tatra truck deal is far more than a simple vehicle purchase. It is a foundational modernization of the